Have your privacy policy on a Word doc. I don't know if you can cut and paste from a PDF. If you can, great, but I'm not able to do it. So I use a Word doc. You'll go ahead and generate whatever privacy policy you have, place it in a Word doc so you can cut and paste it into Kajabi. And then we're going to put it on a page and then place it in the footer in the navigation menu and all your web pages and all your offers. We're going to first find that template page. So I think a while back I talked about creating a template page where you create a landing page with a beautiful header and footer that's branded to your brand, and then you just change the middle. So you don't have to recreate the same page every time. I already created one here with a beautiful header and footer, so I'm just going to duplicate it. It's ready to go, so I'm going to roll to the three dots and change the name of it. Edit details, and we'll just call it privacy policy and make the URL similar. And I don't really want this to be shown as search results. I don't really want people stumbling upon my privacy policy, so I'm just going to turn that off. And I don't need to fill this out at all. Save, and there we go. To get back, I'll just click landing pages. And you can see the privacy policies here, ready to be added. I'm going to roll to the customize, or you can just click on the name, either one. And I have, let's just say it's a beautiful header already created, a beautiful footer, I love it. And I just need to change the stuff in the middle. So I'm going to get rid of what I already have here, delete. I have one text box, which is perfect because I want to add text. And as you know, Kajabi is 12 columns across. I'm going to choose 10. So it's not all the way across, but pretty much there. And I'm just going to paste my privacy policy in here, grab it from the Word doc, paste it in here. Let's say that's it. Save that. And occasionally you will paste it and you'll find it's all lined up in the middle. If you would like to make it line up to justify on the left, we'll just highlight everything and roll to the top again. And you can format alignment left. And it's probably going to be super lengthy, so you can actually open up this little side area. I can put my cursor here and pull it over, and you can see it's a little easier to work with like this. We'll save that. And then I'm already done pasting it in, so I'm going to go ahead and collapse it back to where it was. Now I have the privacy policy ready to go. I want to next put it in the navigation footer of all the pages. So then I'm going to go next to website and navigation. And there is a footer already there, but there's not anything in it if this is your first website. So I'm going to add a page, and it's as simple as finding the page. You can also do a search for it. Let's do that. You probably don't have as many as I do in here. And the name automatically pops up because it just copies the name of the page. But if you'd like to change the name, just type over it. Click Save. And now in our footer, we have the privacy policy. Next, we want to go to our pages and make sure that the privacy policy is on every page. So you'll go to whatever pages. Let me go back this way. You probably don't have all these pages in here, so it's going to be pretty simple. If it's a website page, you'll just go to the website page and do this once on any of the pages, and it'll change it on all those website pages. If you've created pages under landing, you'll have to do each one individually. So let's just say it's this one. I'm going to click there, roll to the bottom, and down here in this area, in the footer area, if I just click not inside, you see how there's parts to it? I just want to click outside of it, and which brings up this area. And I can see in the footer, there's the social icons, the link list, and the copyright. And you want to make sure that you have link list in here, or it might be called something else depending on what theme you used. We're just going to click link list and make that footer. In this case, I already have it as that footer. And you want to make sure all your pages have that, in particular that template page. So this way, all pages going forward will automatically have this in there because you're just going to be duplicating that template page. Now you've created the page, you've placed it in the footer of the landing pages, but you also need to place it in the footer of any of your offers. So we'll come over to sales and offers, and you have to do it on each one, unfortunately. It's not a one click and all of them change. And you probably don't have very many, so it's going to be pretty simple and easy to do. You click on the name of the offer, and then edit checkout. And over here in additional settings, you can see down here, there's an option for a footer, and you'll just choose the navigation menu, footer, and it automatically pops up there. You click save. Well, actually, it won't pop up until you click save on checkout pages. And that's about it.